This is our fifth argument about the existence of God. This argument is called rational and reasonable argument. Look at the argument. Premise number one, reason and rationality exist. It means that reason and rationality exist without any doubt. This is obvious. This is above board. There is no doubt in it. Reason and rationality before my existence, before I came in this world, exist. Premise number two, these cannot be explained by naturalism or chance. This is above. Naturalism and chance cannot describe, explain the rationality and reason. Conclusion. Therefore, reason and rationality must have a divine source, which is called Allah, which is God, everlasting, not ending, not beginning, everlasting entity. He have power of everything. So this argument is above board. We are going to explain this argument. There are reasons behind everything in this world. If you look moon, look sun, the earth, there is reason behind everything. If the sun is not exist, there is no day in the earth, and there is no concept day and night. Look at the human body. We have lips, we have nose, we have cheese, we have neck, we had everything have a reason why lips are created, why teeth are created, why nose is created, why ears are created, why hands are created, why foot are created. There are reasons behind everything. When we want to eat, we touch with our hands. Our hands tell us this thing is suitable for eating or not. Then we near this food in our nose. Our nose tells us that food is able to eat or not. Then our lips is a sensible then hand tells us hotness and coolness of that food, that is suitable for eat or not. Then after lips, work of our teeth, work of our tongues, and internal part of body will start. There are reasons behind everything. We are came in this planet, not go the other planet. There is no sign of life. When we came this earth, there is a sign of life. There is water, there is oxygen, carbon dioxide, fresh air, and foods and other commodities of life. There is reason behind everything. This reason tells us there is conscious behind everything. And there is an entity, conscious entity, intelligent entity behind everything. And that entity and that Zat is Allah Almighty.